Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok features that are missing. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Now, if you open up TikTok and you're trying to save effects, you're trying to do different features, and you find that some random features are missing, somebody else has it on their TikTok profile or account, but you're missing that feature on your specific account. There's a couple of things that we can do to get that working again. The very first thing that we'll do is tap profile at the bottom right here. And then at the top right, we'll tap those three lines and then hit settings and privacy. And then we'll scroll down until we get to free up space and tap on that. And we'll just want to tap clear cache here. And that helps to refresh everything and will help with the next step. The next step is to hop out of here and we'll go into our settings. We'll scroll down until we get to apps and tap on apps. Now this will bring up a list of all of the apps that we have on our phone. And we just scroll down until we find TikTok. And once you find, we'll tap on TikTok. And then we're just going to tap on force stop at the bottom right. This helps to force update the TikTok app, and it fixes any kind of features that are missing. It doesn't remove any of our drafts or logins or messages or anything like that, but it resets all of the core app files of TikTok. And once we open it up again, you should find that all of the features are back and everything is working again. So that's basically how you can fix TikTok features that are missing. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.